at some crazy place that you would think would be abandoned, shut down, you know? This was a mission to get here. And look how tight these trailers are. Look at that. Insane. I just had to back in between. And of course, we're the only dummies that are here. Freaking Martin. Look at this. I had to close these guys' mirrors. Let me show you. Look at that. Unreal. Even with the mirror out. I gotta open the mirror anyways to get inside the door. See, look. And with those, you know how the trailer doors be open.